Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need pink, blue, and orange and clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, and then you're going to need 3 pieces of string that measure about 30 inches, and you're also going to need a key ring. So you're going to start with one of your pieces of string. You'll add a clear and just let that go to the middle. And then we're going to add 3 pink on both sides, a clear that'll go through both, we're going to add 3 pink on both sides, and then a clear that goes through both. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do this 12 times. So you'll have, this counts as 1, this counts as 2. So we're going to do this until we have 12. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I added all 12 of these, and at the end here, just like we started with a clear, oh goodness, we're just going to put a clear on and then tie this. Okay, now we need to make 2 more of these, which I already did. So I have a blue one here and an orange one. What we need to do is attach these clear beads on this key ring. Okay, now you're gonna braid this. Now you don't want it like too tight. Okay, after you can't braid it anymore, hold these in place and then bring this over. So now we need to put these on the key ring. This part might be a little tricky. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.